Cursor just rewrote the automation playbook for coding agents. Welcome to AI News in a Minute, brought to you by Tavis, the future of interactive video. I'm Jerome W. DeWald. This is Friday, March 6, 2026. Cursor launched always-on coding agents that go far beyond writing code. These agents automate code reviews, security monitoring, incident response, and task triage across Slack, GitHub, and PagerDuty without any developer intervention. Applied AI startups are breaking out beyond frontier models. Ultralytics democratizes computer vision with over 125,000 GitHub stars. Biorse raised $52 million to speed clinical trials. And Neural Trust protects data with AI cybersecurity backed by the EU. OpenAI's GPT 5.4 just got a powerhouse upgrade supporting up to 1 million tokens and boasting improved token efficiency. Its new agentic control enables tool searching and mid-response adjustments, targeting complex enterprise workflows with GPT 5.4 Pro. The Pentagon officially flagged Anthropic as a supply chain risk. Despite Anthropic's rapid user and revenue growth, this designation could stall its government contracts and reverberate through its reputation amid growing geopolitical AI tensions. New AI tools are automating business workflows like never before. Shipper 2.0 lets Claude AI handle tasks from app building to email marketing. Willow Voice introduces scalable AI voice copilots for teams. And EOS AI powers autonomous hospital systems. That was your AI News in a Minute with Jerome W. DeWald. Stay ahead in the AI race. Leave your thoughts about which AI innovation excites you most. In the comments, give this video a like and hit subscribe so you don't miss tomorrow's AI News in a Minute.